December 4th, 2024. The train ride going is Old City and looking museum, an old boat and KFC and going the home. Everyone, enjoy my video. This is the train ride.
Fat little boy. Come here. Quick.
What? What is it?
You are going to the train ride school.
Yay. This is excited. Is the train ride day?
Alright, fat little boy. Let's go to the train ride.
Yeah, let's go! Mom, where are we going?
Where are we going? You are going to the train ride.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. Let's go. Fat little boy, where is teacher?
Is here.
Hello, Jessica, Mom. Hello, Miss Green. So, how about? My son is over. Can you, fat little boy, good for you? Of course. Let me see. So, how to this the train ride of fat little boy? Please. Okay, Miss Green. Okay, fat little boy. Goodbye. I'm going to go home.
Okay, Mom. Goodbye.
Hello, fat little boy. So how train my best friends?
I have Baimu. I have Danny. I have Simon. I have Wenda. I have Splot. I have Mr. Throat. I have Dr. Isaac Kleiner. I have Carl. I have Vince. I have Albo. I have Kyle. I have William.
Wow. That's great. So, let's waiting the train.
Okay, let's waiting the train. 2 minutes. Ah, here we go again.
Okay, let's get up.
Hello, everyone. Hello, fat little boy. Hello, fat little boy. Hello, fat little boy.
Hello, fat little boy.
Hello, fat little boy. Hello, fat little boy. Hello, fat little boy. Hello, fat little boy. Hello, fat little boy.
Hello, fat little boy.
Hello, fat little boy. Hello, fat little boy.
Now, you can say hello everyone. Now, sit to seat.
Okay, teacher.
Attention everyone. Please open my lunchbox food.
Can you open Golden Oreo?
Sure. Here we go, fat little boy.
Thanks. I have created my video at home just in waiting 5:20 p.m.
I am something proud.
Now, please close lunchbox food.
Five minutes.
Nice. Yuri, niece.
Let's go! This is so cool! Yeah. Hello, Miss Green. Welcome to KFC. How can I help you?
I have fried chicken, I have fries, I have Coca-Cola.
Okay, I have $20 million.
Okay.
I can wait to see the eat fried chicken, eat fries, drink Coca-Cola. 7 minutes. $20 million. Please? Thank you! Yahoo! It's fried chicken and fries and Coca-Cola. Let's eat and drink. Now let's eat fries. Now let's drink Coca-Cola. It's $20 million.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Hey, can you games?
What speak?
By Muiz? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By Muiz playing Goat Simulator 3 Best Friends. And my telling you, do not worry, but I fat little boy might create my Plotagon video, so, do that. The fat little boy playing Goat Simulator 3, my mom love Best Friends. The poppy playtime it's ready, the everyone is ready my best friends. My fat little boy playing Sprunky, what's watching Gmod Sprunky Mr. Sun, so, don't think about, okay?
Okay, so, what?
5:20 p.m. Mommy.
So how the train ride?
My old city, and looking museum, and old boat, and KFC.
Good job, fat little boy. So, goodbye, fat little boy. I'm going to home. I'm leaving.
Okay, teacher. Goodbye.
I'm home.
I'm home. The end.